Hey everyone, welcome back to our Java tutorial series. In our previous videos, we built a strong foundation by learning what Java is, its advantages and disadvantages, the differences between JDK, JRE and JVM, and we also explored the JVM architecture in detail. Now it's time to move from theory to practical programming. Before we can write Java programs, we first need to prepare our computer by installing the Java Development Kit, commonly known as the JDK. Since I have already installed the JDK on my MacBook, I won't reinstall it. Instead, I will explain where to download it, walk you through the installation process, and then verify the installation on my machine before writing our very first Java program. In this tutorial, we will learn how to download and install the JDK, understand and configure environment variables, verify the Java installation, write our first Java program, and compile and run it from the command line. I will explain every step in simple language, so even if you are a complete beginner, you can follow along without any difficulty. So let's get started. The first thing we need is the Java Development Kit or JDK. Open your browser and search for Oracle JDK download. Or visit the official Oracle website. You can also use other trusted OpenJDK distributions such as Eclipse Temurin, Amazon Corrato, or Azure Zulu. Download the latest long-term support version available for your operating system. Choose your operating system Linux, Mac OS or Windows. Then download the installer and wait for the download to complete. Remember, the JDK already contains the JRE and the JVM, so you don't need to download them separately. Once the download is complete, simply run the installer. The installation process is very straightforward. Click Next, keep the default settings and click Finish. Since I have already installed the JDK on my MacBook, I won't reinstall it in this video. On Windows, Java is usually installed inside C program files Java. On Mac OS, the installer automatically places Java in the appropriate system location. Inside the JDK installation folder, you will find a folder named bin. This folder contains important tools such as the Java compiler, Java C, and the Java launcher Java, used to run Java applications. For Windows users, one additional step may be required. Windows needs to know where the Java tools are installed. If the JDK's bin folder is not added to the system path, you will get an error such as Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. To configure the path, copy the path to your JDK's bin folder, search for environment variables in Windows, open edit the system environment variables, click environment variables, under system variables select path and click edit, then click new, paste the JDK bin folder path, click OK to save the changes. If you are using Mac OS or Linux, this step is usually handled automatically during installation, so you normally don't need to configure it manually. Now let's verify that Java has been installed correctly. Open command prompt on Windows or terminal on Mac OS or Linux. Type the following command, java-version. On my machine, this command displays Java version 17, which confirms that Java is installed correctly. Now type javac-version. This command shows the version of the Java compiler. If both commands display the installed Java version successfully, congratulations, your Java development environment is ready. Now let's write our first Java program. You can use any text editor such as Notepad, TextEdit or Visual Studio Code. Create a new file and type the following code. Public class my first program, public static void main string array args system.out.println hello world. Don't worry if this code looks unfamiliar right now. In the next tutorial, we will understand every line of this program in detail. Save the file as myfirstprogram.java. Remember, the file name must exactly match the class name. Open command prompt or terminal and navigate to the folder where you saved the Java file. To compile the program, type javac myfirstprogram.java. If there are no compilation errors, Java creates a new file named myfirstprogram.class. This file contains Java bytecode. Now execute the program using command java myfirstprogram. The output will be hello world. Congratulations, you have successfully written, compiled and executed your very first Java program. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. We learned how to download and install the JDK, understand environment variables and why they are important, verify the Java installation, write our first Java program, compile Java source code into bytecode and execute the program using the Java virtual machine. Now that our Java development environment is ready, we are prepared to move to a professional development setup. In the next tutorial, we will install and configure IntelliJ IDEA, one of the most popular Java IDEs used by professional developers. Inside IntelliJ, we will create our first Java project and then break down the Hello World program line by line. We will understand what a class is, why we use the main method, and how Java executes our code. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with anyone who is starting their Java journey. If you face any issues during installation or setup, leave a comment below and I will be happy to help. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep growing and stay connected for more updates.